In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert text to a table in Google Docs. This might seem like a bit of a workaround at first, but it truly is the most efficient way to ensure your text is neatly organized in table format. So let's dive right into it. First, start by opening your Google Docs and navigating to the document where your text is located. This is your groundwork, and you'll want to make sure it's right in front of you. Once you have your document opened, carefully select the text that you want to convert into a table. This selection is crucial because it's what we're going to move forward with in the next steps. After you've selected your text, go ahead and click on Copy. You're essentially preparing this text for transfer to Google Sheets, which is where the magic of conversion begins. Now switch over to Google Sheets. If you don't already have a sheet open, start a new one. It's really easy and quick to do. With Google Sheets open, your next move is to paste the text you just copied. This action will place your text into a more structured grid format, but we're not quite finished yet. Immediately after pasting, you'll want to click on Paste Formatting. This step ensures the text maintains its original styling as much as possible during the transfer. Now click on Split Text to Columns. This feature is fantastic for breaking down your text into individual columns, aligning perfectly with the table format we're aiming for. Once your text is neatly arranged into columns, you can again click on Copy. This will prepare your newly arranged data for the journey back to Google Docs. Navigate back to your original Google Docs document. Once there, click on Paste. This step moves your now tabulated data back into your document. It should appear just as you've organized it in Sheets, but firmly embedded in your document. For more advanced integration, click on Link to Spreadsheet. This links your Google Sheets data with your Google Docs directly, maintaining live updates. It's particularly useful if your data is subject to frequent changes and you want your Google Docs table to reflect those changes in real time. Finally, finalize your work by clicking on Paste one last time to confirm everything looks just the way you want it. And there you have it, a seamless process to convert your text into a neatly formatted table within Google Docs using the powerful combination of Google Sheets. This process makes it easy to handle and present data efficiently. Happy organizing, and let's keep things structured and stylish.